Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name's Matt. This is my R32 Gtr, and this is Greg and his FD RX7. So we're here today in Paeroa, and we're going to do a bit of a canyon run, sort of spirited drive through the Karangahaki Gorge. So we're taking the GTR and the FD through the gorge. It's like, yeah, you know, up in the cliffs there, really scenic, beautiful New Zealand road. And it's really windy, so yeah, it'll be really fun just to go for a bit of a drive through there in our cars. And I'm going to have the GoPro on the back so you guys can see a bit of POV. Hopefully we can get some flames going. So we're just here at the famous LMP bottle in Paeroa. And what most people don't know about this place is there's actually a tap behind the LMP bottle and you can fill up your water bottle with LMP. So obviously we're stopping in here to do that. Full bottle of LMP. I'm just mounting up the GoPro. This is our setup. Put this under my wiper. So if it does come unstuck, it'll still stay attached there. GoPro. Good to go. So hopefully the gorge isn't too busy because it'll be a bit of a slow run, but it's going to be awesome scenery. So we're just going to go real slow into it, create like a nice gap, and then we can get some good footage in the gorge. So we're behind a health shuttle. I don't think they're going to be going too fast. This is what New Zealand looks like. I reckon this is like a pretty good representation of New Zealand sort of scenery. It's quite scenic really. So a lot of trees, bush, farmland. For those of you who aren't in New Zealand that watch, I don't know. Comment below where you're from. It'd be interesting to know. Do we have international watchers? Are we all from New Zealand? Yeah. Also, I need to make a shout out. TR Racing. If you guys don't follow them, look up their channel TR Racing on YouTube. And drop them a sub, they make awesome content too. So at the bottom of this gorge there's a river. I'm not sure what it's called, to be honest. But yeah, it's pretty steep. It's not that long, it's pretty short. But you know, it's not the size that matters. The gap we've created, we've already filled. Oh yeah, here's the river. Oh, there's more roadworks, I think. 30k an hour up here. Oh man. Oh, what's that, a Mustang? It's a Mustang. Might just be a scenic little river drive, maybe. In our sports cars. Yeah, this is the start of the gorge. Native bush up there. Unfortunately, there's a bit of traffic today. But it's still going to be a really cool looking drive, so see if I can blow some flames. gonna pull over, let some vehicles pass, I think, just so we're not so busy. Yeah, we were just stuck behind like an ambulance and this like big ass like safari ute going hella slow. Alright, go, 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 go. Alright, we got a little bit of a gap to play with now. To tell, is this the second gear or third gear on the road? Letting us pass. Oh yeah, I can hear those flames. Probably haven't driven this road since I was like 16, 17. It's been nearly 10 years, to be honest. Yeah, Taylor and I came out to the beach one time, but man, it's been a while. We got a wagon and we've caught up. There goes that Saf ute thing. And oh, camera's sagging a little. There we go. Yeah, we caught up to this Subaru. Woo, I'm cooking in there. Oh, I don't have my fan on. Oh, that's way meaner. Oh, I thought I had my fans on, but I didn't. Just pull out in front of the next car that comes. As long as our pull-out game is strong, guys. Alright. Oh, camera fell down again. Sorry. Just such a nice drive, though. New Zealand roads could be a lot better, though. Let's be honest. Could be pretty bumpy. Should fix that camera. Oh yeah. Flames on. There we go. Man. We just catch up to cars. This road's a bit too busy to do a decent run, so apologize for that, guys. Alright, so we are here at the beach. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, so that was the Karanga Gorge. We definitely could have had a bit of a better run, but yeah, there's just heaps of traffic, and I definitely remember the gorge being a bit longer. in my head, but it's been 10 years. So yeah, cheers for watching, guys, and yeah, if we get any other footage I'll chuck that in as well, but hopefully it comes out alright.